Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello to all my subscribers and to all the viewers. So today girls, I'm gonna give you some tips on how to make your hair smells good and fresh. So this is how I do it. First thing first, I washed my hair super clean, and then I dry it up. After drying my hair, I use this hair iron on my hair to make it flatten. Then after I flatten my hair with this iron, I use this mild scent cologne. If you use this one, guys, if you have cologne at home, any cologne will do, but don't use those strong scent of cologne. It may damage your hair. Only those mild scent of cologne, okay? So just spray it like this, and here, and also here, and then comb it so that the scent of cologne will spread scattered all over your hair like this. So it's already done, and then smell it if it's already like smell of cologne, and then you can style whatever you want already. But before going out of the house, don't go out of the house when your hair is wet. Dry it first, otherwise the dust will stick on your hair. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless all of you. Bye for now. So this is how I style my hair, because it's so long and thick. So this is it. Thank you so much, guys. Bye again.